is Mona. Today
I'm going to make a leader cloth.
I bought a painter's canvas, light canvas drop cloth from Amazon, and it is 4 foot wide by 10 foot long. So what I'm going to do for the first leader, I'm going to mark and cut along the long 12 inches in all the way across. Okay, I put my line at the top. This is for the back frame. Now I'm going to just mark every 4 inches. I'm going to put a slash across. And I'm also going to mark the center. So now I'm just going to cut off that bottom line and then take it over to the machine and hem it. All right, I'll show you. Now I did my lines in the middle. The line at the bottom is where you will pin your quilt. I will hem the bottom. I mark the center. And this is, and I even wrote the top on here so I wouldn't get confused. You can iron this if you want. You would iron this in half. And then there, I am just going to eyeball it and put it on that line. But I'm going to start in from there. And the next one, I'm going to cut this hem off on the side because it just looks... Whoops, it would help if I put my foot down. Let's hope I don't have a bird's nest. All right, now I'm just folding that. I'm folding it up to that line. Now when I do the second one, this top here has like a selvage, so it's not going to fray. But when I do the next one, I will have to hem both sides. So I'm going to have to do the same thing on both ends. Cut and then draw a line to hem. And if you wanted to, you could mark down here too, but I'm not going to. So you get the idea. I will finish the rest of this off screen and then show it to you. And here's my leader attached to the frame. You can attach your quilt right to this with pins, or you can put it on your table and attach it that way. For the second leader, I cut down 24 inches, and then I just put a 1-inch hem on both sides and did the same thing with all the markings, the center and every 4 inches. Thanks for watching.